If I work, for instance, with a child's head, it's not really the head that is moving. The head is moving in space, of course, but if you see it from the point of view of the child, if you look at the skeleton, it's not the head that's moving, it's the vertebra of the neck. So whenever I'm working with something, anything, I'm not watching what my hands are doing. I'm not looking at what I'm seeing, but I'm trying to feel and find the base of the movement, the root of the movement, where the skeleton of the child actually has to move its joints to perform a motion. And these movements, especially with children, are more often than not rotation, spiral movements. You can try it out for yourself. Just lie on the floor and very slowly sit up, and you will feel that your legs have to rotate in the hips. You rotate in your pelvis. Somewhere in your elbow will be a rotation to allow you to use your skeleton. This is how children are moving. This is why they can move with little effort. This is how our joints are built. Yeah? If you look at this, if you don't have this movement, and you see that often in spasticity, if this joint doesn't move, you can either push to the floor or you could feed yourself, but you cannot do both. So these are small parts of the larger movement, but very, very important things. To get that, it is important that you are aware of it and also that you are capable of this rotation. So this is harder than you think. If you try it theoretically, can be pretty hard. It gets a lot easier if you actually, again, follow your hands.